Okay guys, so today I'll show you how you can install a custom ROM inside your own smartphone. So here I have a Xiaomi device and today I'm going to show you how you can install a custom ROM inside this device. So let's start. Before starting, let me tell you the basic procedure required for installing the custom ROM. So first we are going to install a custom recovery inside this device. Then we have to install an app named Magisk. So as you can see over here, and then inside the custom recovery, we have to load the firmware files. So let me show you. Just follow the steps. Also make sure that you have backed up all the items from your mobile device, because in this procedure all the data from your phone is gonna be erased. So please make sure that you back up all the files and data you require. Okay, so let's enter our PC and I'll show you how to install the custom ROM. Okay, so before we start, your phone should enter the fast boot mode. Let me show you how to enter your phone into the fast boot mode. So let us power off the phone first. Once the phone is powered off, you have to press the volume down and power button together. Now this phone enters the fast boot mode. Now let's connect your phone with the PC. Okay guys, so over here you have to come on the internet browser and search for TWRP for your device. So I'm searching here TWRP 3.5.0 recovery for Redmi Y2, which I'm using right now. So you can get it from the XDA forums, XDA developers website, and also the official website of TWRP Recovery. Okay guys, so once you enter the PC, you have to click on the folder and then click on the cmdl.exe file. Once it gets opened, you have to type fastboot devices. So I'm typing it over here. Alright. And press enter. Now you will see the device you have connected, which is on the fastboot mode. Now the next step to do is to flash the recovery file. So write fastboot recovery space recovery.image. Typing it over here. So let me show you the file. It's over here, recovery.image. So this is the image file of the custom recovery we are going to flash. So once you see this is the whole text you have to type and press enter. Okay, so it has now installed the custom recovery inside the device. So let us turn on the device again. Okay, so now you can disconnect your phone. And now let's enter the custom recovery mode on our phone. Now pressing the power volume up button and the power button together will turn on the custom recovery mode. So let's go, and you have to cancel. So we are now finally into our custom recovery. Okay, so once we have installed the custom recovery inside our device, now the next step to do will be to install the Magisk app. As you can see over here, this is the Magisk version 22.0, and you have to just flash this file. It says done, so let's go back, and now your custom recovery will remain permanent. Okay, so the ROM which we are going to install inside our device is the evolutionx ROM. So as you can see, the firmware file is over here, and we have to just load it, install it with the help of the custom recovery, which is the TWRP recovery that we just installed. So let's switch off our phone once again. So let's turn on our recovery mode on the device. So now once we have entered the recovery mode, we have to first enter the wipe section over here. First we have to click on format data, as you can see, and type yes, and this will format the data inside our phone. Going back, and then let's click on advanced wipe, and then select the particular sections as I show. So Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data, and the internal storage. Now once you select all of these, you have to slide over here to wipe them. Now we have to go back and click on swipe to factory reset once again. Go back, and now it's time to install. Now we have to click on the install button. Now we have to enter select storage, select the microSD card as we have stored the file inside the microSD card, and click on download. So evolutionx, as you can see, this is the zip file which we have to install. You have to just simply click on it, and then you don't need to select the zip signature verification, and let everything be as it is, because it can cause problem while the procedure. So let's swipe to confirm flash. So let it just install the whole evolutionx firmware inside the device. As you can see, it says done. So let's go back, and we have to once again we have to install the Magisk version 22.0 zip once again, because it helps to root your device. So let's swipe to flash the file. Alright, so as you can see, it's flashing. and yeah, it says done. Now I have to go back and again click on wipe. Now swipe to factory reset. You have to just swipe once again so that it again factory resets the whole system. Now click on reboot and system. Alright, so at this time it will take a lot of time to start because the system is just loaded. And okay, so it's over here, evolutionx. Let me show you. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, so as you can see, our system has given us some options like to start. So let's click on start, and I'll go through this procedure and do all the setup right now. So I'll show you the main system directly. So it's taking a lot of time, but we'll quickly start the system. Okay, so now it says copy apps and data. I'll say don't copy because we want to make this device as a newly set device. So let's see what it's doing. Okay, now it says to sign in with the Google account, so I'll sign in over here and then I'll show you. Mostly the setup is completed. Now let's see what it says. Okay, anything else? No thanks. And yes, I'm in. Okay, it says getting your phone ready, so let it. Alright, so this is our evolutionx, guys. Let me show you clearly. Okay, now I've adjusted the camera, and as you can see, this is our evolutionx, which is just the modification of the Google Pixel, which is the Pixel Experience ROM. And you can see that it is overall a really great ROM. It's smooth, and also I have to still set up a little bit, and still completing some setup. So let's see. Okay, so let's take a look at the setup. So over here there is the yeah, so let's take a look at the settings first. So this is the layout of this ROM. This is the evolver where you can just customize your hardware and all. You can see the hardware buttons and all. So also the animations and other things, and also some information about evolutionx. You can see, you can visit their website. Okay, and let's see more about the battery. Right now is 38%, and also one thing about this ROM is it improves the battery life of your device. Let's see the quality of our camera right now. Okay, so it's the photo mode, and it's really great. The quality is really great, and there is also a video mode. Okay, so while sliding it goes back. Let's check the video mode. Yeah, it's great. It's probably great. Okay, let's go back, and as you can see, there are apps like Chrome, Google Play Store, and several other apps. You'll not find the gallery inside it because Google Pixel doesn't have a gallery actually. So this is the Magisk app which we had downloaded, which we have to just update, and let me see more about it. Also one more thing, guys, that before installing the custom recovery we have to unlock the bootloader inside our device. So to do that you can just go through the YouTube videos to see the procedure how to unlock the bootloader inside your device. Alright, let's see what's happening. So overall I found this ROM a little bit better than the previous one which I used, because this one has a really smooth layout and many more features. Okay, so let's see how the internet works. So opening the Chrome app, and as you can see over here there are many posts occurring. So this means that the internet is working alright on this device. Let's see more like files. So okay, so this shows us about the files present inside. Play Store also works fine in this device, as you can see over here. And let's see some more specifications about this operating system, that is the ROM present in this device right now. So over here in the evolver, let's see what's more. So you can also configure the hardware buttons as I have shown you. Then the animations, change the animation style over here to flip, rotate, and many others. Disable transition animations, and for a lock screen customization you can see there are many options over here. So there are more gestures, AOSP settings, and a lot of things. Brightness control, so you can adjust the brightness by sliding the bar at the like this, the status bar. Okay, let me see how to do that. Also switch screen off, and yeah. So as I've said, overall this ROM is interesting and comfortable to use, so you can enjoy it. Yeah, and I'll provide all the files in the description of this video, so you can download all the files from the description. And also please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.